your Storm Team 29 forecast.
Summer heat, summer treats, and we're headed into the upcoming Independence holiday weekend. Wow. Let's take a look right now from the Lewis and Clark building. You can see the sky line there and just a few fair weather cumulus clouds out and about. But yeah, it's been a hot day. Not overly humid, but hot. 91 the high today. Currently 88 with a dew point of 61. It actually feels pretty close to the actual air temperature. When you have a lot more humidity in the air, it feels a lot worse. And we are going to see more humid days ahead this week. 86 is the current reading at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. 87 the afternoon high. Still some 90-degree reading there in Louisa, 89 in Palmyra, still 89 in Culpeper. We've got 84 in Harrisonburg and a pleasant 71 on the mountain at Wintergreen. Temperatures here tonight very similar to where they were have been the last couple of mornings, anywhere from the mid-60s to around 70. We'll have partly cloudy skies, a little bit muggy as we go into the overnight and early tomorrow morning. There's just a small chance of maybe an isolated shower. Now tomorrow afternoon will likely hold temperatures pretty much in the upper 80s to near 90, and the afternoon will give rise to some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Not everyone's going to see that activity, but we could have some downpours during the afternoon tomorrow. So we kick off the month of July with some showers and storms. A chance of rain really goes down here for Thursday and Friday, but the temperatures continue to rise, and Friday looks to be a really hot day with lots of us in the low 90s. Well, we wrap up June today, and of course this time of year with scattered thunderstorms, the idea of scattered meaning that some locations get a lot of rain, other areas not so much. At McCormick, just under 2.5 inches. We had over 3 in downtown Charlottesville, and some locations had well over 5 for the month. Again, a deficit at McCormick of just under 1 inch and 7/10. For the year, pretty much on par observed, just under 22.5 inches of moisture. Average would be just over 22, so we have a little surplus of just over 1/4 of an inch. Things are quiet on NBC29's exclusive dual pole triple Doppler radar, basically sandwiched between two weather systems, a stalled frontal boundary down across southwest Virginia into North Carolina, and we have an area of low pressure that's off the Massachusetts coastline. That's going to drift a little farther south tomorrow, and some of the energy with that, along with some daytime heating and this front in close proximity, could give rise for some showers and storms for us. You'll notice how when we look at the dew points, again, the moisture content in the atmosphere, these numbers are a lot lower as opposed to the higher numbers to our south. Well, that's the more moisture source, and that humidity will be increasing here over the next several days. Again, as we go through the overnight, partly cloudy, a bit muggy. We'll start tomorrow morning in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Tomorrow afternoon, some scattered showers and thunderstorms, some downpours for some, 85 to around 90. And much of Thursday will be a dry day. It'll be more humid, and we'll heat back up once again, upper 80s and low 90s. And yeah, we're keeping an eye on that Independence holiday weekend forecast for Saturday. Hot and humid with scattered afternoon storms, low 90s. Certainly summertime conditions. Partly cloudy, muggy tonight, 65 to around 70. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast as we welcome the month of July. Again, what you'd expect, temperatures upper 80s and lower 90s. Storm chances tomorrow, they drop here for the late week, and the Independence holiday weekend there will be some afternoon and evening storms, hopefully not to interfere with the real fireworks. Stephen Casey.
All right, thank you so much, Eric.
We'll be right back.